Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk and discuss about Bloom taxonomy. Let's see, Bloom taxonomy is a framework that was developed by Benjamin Bloom in 1956. The main aim of Bloom taxonomy is to promote higher form of thinking in education, focusing on analyzing, evaluating, and creating rather than just remembering facts. In 2001, the Bloom taxonomy was revised. It was revised by Laurie Anderson, that was the student of Benjamin Bloom, and they changed the Bloom taxonomy into action verbs. Like Bloom taxonomy has a six level. For example, the revised Bloom taxonomy has six level. Level number one is remember, and the old level was knowledge, and level second now is understanding, and old was comprehension. Number third is now according to wise Bloom taxonomy is apply, the old was application. Number fourth is analyze, but in old Bloom taxonomy it was analysis. Number fifth is evaluate, but in old Bloom taxonomy it was evaluation. Number six is create. In old, it was census. So after the revision of Bloom taxonomy in 2001, uh, the level were changed in action work. Here is a diagram that you can see about the sixth level, which start from remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. It also considered and recognized that from remember it start lower order thinking, that's end at creation level, which is known as higher order thinking. The main aim of Bloom taxonomy is to encourage holistic learning in three domains. The first domain is cognitive skills, second is affective, third is psychomotor. Today we are going to discuss, talk in our this presentation only level 1 cognitive mental skills. Level 1 remember. It means that recalling facts or basic concepts. For example, a student recall the name of world capitals, task list the planet in the solar system. So the first level is only related to remembering activities. Level 2 is understand. It means that explaining ideas or concepts. For example, a student explains the water cycle. It is related to understanding. Its task or activity is explain the significance of photosynthesis in plants. Level number third, according to revised Bloom taxonomy, is apply. Its meaning using information in new situation. For example, a student solve a math problem by applying an algebraic formula. Task new use Newton laws to solve a real world physics problem. Number fourth level is analyze. It means that breaking down information into components and understanding their structure. For example, a student compare different literary themes. Its task is analyze the character's motivation in a novel. Number fifth level is evaluate. It means that judging based on a criteria and standard. For example, a student critique a theory. For example, its task is evaluate the effectiveness of a new policy in addressing climate change. The last level level according to revised Bloom taxonomy is create. It means that combining elements to form a new coherent whole or original product. For example, a student design a science experiment and its activity is create a business plan for a startup. So these are the six level according to revised Bloom taxonomy that teachers use in their teaching learning process to develop student cognitive skills. These skills start from lower order thinking to higher order thinking. I hope that after listening this lecture, you will be able to know and understand the exact framework of Bloom taxonomy, old and revised. Thanks for watching and listening. Inshallah, see you in next video. Allah Hafiz.